And now we need to write the other class that act as a main program to use this class to create an object to convert the score that the user going to enter from the keyboard. So let us now here go ahead and create a new class. Let me call it converter demo. And here in this class, as I said, going to act as the main program. So I need to add here the main methods. Now I need to create two variables, one to hold the value for the score that we're going to read from the keyboard, and the other one to hold the converted grade. So the score of type double, and the grade of type char. And now I need to create an object of type score converter. So let us add here comment, create score converter objects. Okay, so I'm going to call my object converter, and I'm going to use the class score converter. And now I need to create a scanner object. So here I created a scanner object and I name it keyboard of type scanner. And now I need to prompt the user to enter a value for the score and then convert it to a letter and display this letter on the screen. I will use the variable score to hold the value returned by the keyboard scanner. Now score should have a double value. This double value need to be set to my converter object. So I'm going to use this object to call the set method to set this score to the object. Set score and give the variable score as parameter. The value of this score will be sent to the method set score in my object and then assign it to their score. Now I can use the get grade and display it on the screen. So I'm going to use the local variable grade to hold the output of this conversion. The converter dot get grade, and now simply when I call get grade, the get grade is going to do all the comparisons and determine which letter corresponds to the value for the given score in this program. Let me add some comment. Now I need to display the result on the screen. So this is what I wrote here. Print the score plus or concatenated to the value of the score, followed by the string is equivalent to the grade, followed by the value of the grade. Now I finished my main program, and let us go ahead and test this main program. I'm going to run my program. That's good, it's successfully compiled and ask me to enter the value for the score. Let us examine the first expression and add a value here less than 60 and hit enter. Then the program called the object to convert the letter and display it here the score 55 is equivalent to the grade F, which is correct. Let us run again and examine the second expression. Let us say here the value is 66. Then it converted to D based on, again, the logic we have it here in this get grade. Let us have one more run and add here, for example, 87. Then you can see here the grade is B. One more run, add here the grade is 91. Then we check the last part of the statements here. When it is none of the above, the grade should be A. Okay, so we covered in this video an example for if else if statement, and we know now that how to convert a given UML class diagram to a Java class. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.